Alright, so my Mari just won't let me give me... Alright, so this is Super Woody Woodpecker Show, and the reason why my cousin Mari keeps begging me to watch to watch some videos when he just won't let me have some free time when I'm about to draw things. He just won't let me finish one of my drawings. Okay. All right. Let's continue let's begin watching the video.
If I were a rich man. Someone asked me who I thought the most beautiful monster was in all of Monstropolis. I said, Roz, my succulent little garden snail. Kiss me!
What? It's like when Whiplash called Turbo
Leaving the door open is the worst mistake any employee can make because...
At least that's kind of
disgusting. It could let in a...
It could let in a water news. There's nothing more toxic than chasing guy. A single touch could kill you. Leave a door open and a door could kill you.
Oh!
Touch down. Our city is counting on your screams.
I'm scared because every time you turn something on, Monsters Incorporated is there.
Hey, look, Mr. Water News. Of course, MI is prepared for the future.
Oh! George and I are like brothers.
Same logo again.
2020! We have a 2020!
He looks like he's in trouble.
There has been a security breach in my briefs for the first time in my history. If witnesses are to be believed, my mum has been the first mum in my history.
Well, a kid flew right over me and with its laser vision.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its powers and shook me like a doll.
We can confirm the presence of a kid here tonight.
James, I would
Kidnap 1,000 children before I let this company die?
So would I, sir.
Say, I could use your help.
Anything, sir.
I'll start out with kidnapping children. That's my boy.
Okay.
James, this company stinks.
Sullivan!
Ah, James, is this one yours?
Actually, that's my,
What a coincidence running into you. I'm just gonna order something to go.
Well, I don't think that thing could have gone any worse.
All right, then. I'll see you this afternoon, James.
Whew. Hey, look at that. It's Randall.
He's still here.
What happens when everyone goes to lunch? I get a spoon.
Everyone goes to lunch.
Idiot! Which means I dig a tunnel under the city and release spoons into the wild. Right. You see that clock?
no!
You see that lunch? You'll be my lunch.
Do I look
Not
like
the
a lemon to
same
you?
intro again.
Why can't they call me Mr. Water News? Or the Water News snowman for crying out loud? I'm a nice guy.
Oh,
It ain't easy being banished.
That's
Take my buddy
terrible.
Bigfoot. When he was banished, he was... That won't be so hard for you guys, though. You know, I'm banished with your best snow cone.
Spoons.
Ah, poor guy. It ain't easy being sissy.
Wait, what did you say?
Snow cone. I understand. How about you, fella?